The envelope is the most important part to a healthy, comfortable, and efficient building. If you don't get this part correct, you are going to run into some serious structural issues and or health issues and or just comfort issues. 475 is one of our suppliers for high performance building products, but they also provide some on-site training with their products, obviously, and they have some great assemblies on their website which you can go and download and actually use on your own projects. Before I get into the video, I just want to share something really quick. Today marks the day where we're launching another course on the Conscious Builder Academy called Keys to Managing Clients. If you're a contractor and you have some jobs that are going south right now, I will share a little bit more details at the end of this video, so make sure you stay for that. Hey, this is Casey Gray and you are watching the Conscious Builder Show. We started this project in October of this year. It's a simple Cape Cod 1940s 1.5 story home. The scope of the work for this project includes a 2-story addition to the back, plus improvements to the envelope of the main home. The envelope improvements include a self-adhering vapor permeable membrane, which will be our air barrier and weather barrier, plus continuous insulation. All of this will be covered by wood siding. For the foundation, we used ICF Nudura in this case, and we use this on a lot of our projects, but mostly because forming companies that do small projects are really hard to find. So we can either find a subcontractor to help us with an ICF on a project like this, or we can do it in-house if that makes more sense for the schedule. We quickly got into framing the main floor and walls and got it done just in time for a demo with Aaron and Erica of 475, who made the trip from Toronto to meet some of our team members and showcase their products.
Take it off here, tape this to the RO of the window. Come on, start in that release strip on the back. Now that that's pressurized, we're pretty well good to get the second strip.
The weather barrier and air barrier is the Pro Klima Adhero, which is a self-adhering vapor permeable membrane. The Intello Plus, which is our vapor barrier and secondary air barrier, will go on the interior side of the main and second floor walls. For taping, we'll be using the Tescon Vanna Profil and Profect tapes and the ExoSeal Encore for the window flashing. We also tried out the new Aerofixx kit. It's basically an extension to the tape that works really well for transitions or other tricky areas like rafter connections or rim boards. The kit allows you to control the pressure and allows you to output either spray or bead form. It might take some trial and error to get used to in establishing the right distance and speed of motion, but we found the product fairly easy to work with. The material comes out really clean, and they also have a brush applied version, but both are more expensive than the tapes. This section around our perimeter required about 2.5 sausages, which will cost between $40 and $60 depending on how many you purchase. They have 2 color options, white or blue, which turns black when it dries. We were also applying it in colder temperature, so it takes longer to dry, so keep that in mind when you're working with it. And if you want to stay up to date on this project, we'll be sharing it here when we're done. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notifications on all the new videos that we're releasing. Glad you tuned in to the end, and I hope you try out some of these products. 475 has always been fantastic to work with. So if you live in an area where they serve, I highly recommend you reach out to their team. Today marks the day that we launch another course in the Conscious Builder Academy called Keys to Managing Clients. So if you're a contractor and you're dealing with the craziness of the industry, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It is a mess right now. There's labor shortages and delays on products, and subtrades aren't showing up, and people are just overworked, and everything is coming down on the contractor, right? The homeowners are upset and it's coming down on the contractor, obviously. So if you have jobs that are going south or jobs that have already gone south, this course will be exactly what you're looking for. It'll give you the tools that you need in order to get your jobs back on track. So if you want to check that out, you want to learn a little bit more, head to contractbuilderacademy.com. You will see it there. I also have a free course there for the 5 things I wish I knew before I started my business. And until next time, remember to live consciously.